iDraw 2.0 Assembly Tutorial. Loosen the 4 screws here, and if they are too tight, use the fixing wrench in the kit to loosen them. Note that the 2 screws on the right have gaskets, but not on the left. The gaskets should also be placed on the right when installing. Align the X-axis with the hole and put in the rear locking screw. The gasket is placed on the 2 screws on the right. Fix with a fixed wrench. The cable is inserted into the corresponding motor socket according to the label. There is a cable harness on the Z-axis, and the cable loosens the screws that hold it in place. Connect the cable to the Z-axis motor first. Install the cable vertically into the vertical line device. Finally, install the X and Y axis limiters. Insert it into the corresponding socket according to the label. Finally, install the pen holder. You only need to tighten 1 screw, and the angle can be installed vertically or tilted according to your needs. The machine origin is in the upper right corner.